Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, let me show you how I did this magician or ringmaster top hat at home. So take a look and watch this video. Draw out a 30 cm cardboard circle to make your brief. Then from the center, measure 9 cm away from the center spoke. Then trace a circle onto the cardboard. Measure and trace 2 rectangles on a sheet of cardboard. Need to cut out 2 rectangles that are 12.5 by 6 inches cardboard rectangles to build the barrel of your hat. Add extra 1 or 2 centimeters allowance along the base and top part of the rectangle for the notches. Tape the 2 cardboard rectangles together to form a cylinder. Keep both pieces of cardboard steady, then apply strips of tapes along the side so the cardboard holds a cylindrical shape. Then, bend the rectangle to make a cylinder shape. And tape the other side. Trace fabric shapes that match the dimension of your hat. Place your cardboard templates on a large piece of black fabric. Outline the shapes on the fabric with a white colored pencil so you know where to cut. Trace around the outer and inner rim of your donut-shaped piece of cardboard. This will yield the 2 circular fabric shapes that you need. You may want to cut out 2 donut-shaped pieces of fabric to cover the top and bottom of the brim. Fit and tape the cylinder into the brim hole of the larger circle. Center the cardboard cylinder over the open brim circle of the hat. Slide the cylinder into the opening so it fits snugly. At this point, your cardboard will start to look like a top hat. After sliding the cylinder into the brim of the hat, fold and glue the notches on the bottom of the hat's brim. Place and hot glue the small cardboard circle on top of the cylinder, where it should fit exactly. Now hot glue the rectangular fabric around the hat's barrel. And just a tip, try to use small amount of glue so it doesn't look obvious on your finished hat. Arrange a donut-shaped piece of fabric over the hat's brim. Cut notches on top of the hat. Fold and glue the fabric over the edge of the top to make the hat look more cohesive and to cover the cardboard edge completely. Place and glue the circular piece of fabric on top of the hat. Then hot glue the donut-shaped piece of fabric over the hat's brim. And place the other donut-shaped piece of fabric at the bottom part of the hat's brim. To cover the bottom of your hat's brim, glue it into place at this time. And add a long stretch of red-colored ribbon around the base of your hat to serve as a band. And it's done! Thankfully, you don't need any hat making experience to make a magician top hat at home. Instead, all you need is some cardboard and fabrics, along with some hat glue and scissors to assemble your hat. In less than an hour, I can show off my very own magician Ringmaster top hat to my friends and family.